One can never have enough schnitzel recipes, correct? I know. That's why I'm bringing to you guys here a gem of a recipe that I have invented. So you're not gonna see anything like that in the internet, on the internet. And so I'm very proud and I hope you like it. It's schnitzel that you can make, you can turn it into a fish, kind of a fillet, breaded fillet if you want. If you add some kelp powder or nori powder, I mean, you can choose. So let me show you how I put it together. All right, we're going to need soaked chickpeas. Now, because I use chickpeas all the time, I soak mine and then I drain them and then I freeze them. So they're ready to be used anytime. So this one over here, Spooky, he's hungry. He's always hungry. And he's the one that somebody dumped here when he was a tiny little baby, and it took me a week to be able to actually get him, grab him, because he was so scared, and now he is the most snuggle bug and mama's boy ever. You have seen him on stories, right? So back to the recipe. We are going to add the soaked chickpeas drained with water and oatmeal or oatmeal flour in a blender, okay? We're gonna blend it along with garlic powder, veggie bouillon, salt and pepper. Now, meanwhile, what we're gonna do, we are going to use for the fibers, because schnitzel, it has some fibers. I don't wanna think about it so much, but you know, I wanna give more body, more structure to it. So we are going to use, you know what? A cabbage. Yes, a cabbage. I have done that before on my nuggets. Check the nuggets over here, you're gonna love it. It's so good. Check the recipe afterwards, not now. Now you enjoy this one. And we're going to brown it. You know, no, we're not gonna brown it. We're going to saute it with salt and pepper until you see a little bit of color, because we want, what? What we want? The Maillard effect, that's right. We want to extract the best out of it. And we want it not so hard, we want it a little bit soft, because we're gonna need, like I said, the structure of the cabbage. All right, so now we're gonna mix everything together and we're going to put it in a fridge. And then we're going to cut it into cutlets or into nuggets. I mean, you choose. And then we're gonna bread it. How? I mean, there are so many ways of bread it. You choose your favorite one. You can use cornmeal. I have been using cornmeal a lot lately, and cornflakes, but you can choose. You just make a batter using sparkling water, salt and pepper, veggie bouillon powder, and a few drops of lemon. Now, the sparkling water and the lemon, it will add extra crispiness, because bubbles, you know, they will expand and they will create crispiness, so that's what we want. If you don't have sparkling water, you can add regular water and then add a little bit of a baking soda, because combined with the lemon or lime, it will have the same effect, okay?
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd believe in me? Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say.
Crunchy. Can you hear? It's so good. I mean, you gotta make it. Kids love it. But Chef Jana, you can't pretend that this is meat if it's not. You're so cute. Saying those things. Have you seen whose name is over here? Whose channel is that? It's my channel. I can do whatever I want. And I encourage you to do whatever you want. It's your food. Dare to change the standards. Yes, you can imitate meat. Yes, you can make whatever you want because food is alchemy, okay? Don't let any people tell you and what to do. Don't let them tell you what to do. Unless it's the police, then they can. They can. But apart from them, nobody can tell you what to do. So you do what you want in your kitchen, okay? Indulge yourself, please yourself, get happy and make other people happy. And if they don't like you, you don't invite them anymore. So that's all problem solved, okay? So as simple as that. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my website, because over there you're gonna get a free ebook with 10 very nice weeknight recipes, very easy but yet very delicious, because that's how we roll here, right? Easy and delicious. And follow me on my social media. If you make it, tag me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye.
Are you my boy? Are you mama's boy? Are you mama's boy? Are you mama's boy? What's going on? It's your turn to get cuddles from mommy.